Hey guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable homes for sale on notifications on your Redfin app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go down, click here on my Redfin, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. You go down here, then you click here on settings here, just click on it. So then you come to next tip here, it's going to show for you like this. You click on app notifications here. So then you come to next tip here, come here to homes for sale. Click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us as mean homes for sale. Notifications enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. I wish know you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.